There are special rules that apply to commercial trucks throughout the entire country. These rules are federal in nature. They are put together. They are called the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations. We have handled many cases where truck drivers violated these rules, and because they violated these rules, lives have been ruined, people have died, and we have prosecuted those truck drivers. If you've sustained an injury in a commercial trucking accident, be sure to talk to an attorney who's handled this kind of case.